Transform your space. Learn to create custom tables that speak to your style. Are you ready to elevate your home decor with a stunning, custom-made table? Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your dining room or a rustic charm to your living space, a personalized table can make all the difference. Why choose a custom table? Unique design. Unlike mass-produced furniture, a custom table reflects your personal style and taste. Choose the materials, colors, and finishes that resonate with you. Perfect fit. No more settling for standard sizes. Create a table that fits your space perfectly, whether it's a cozy nook or a spacious dining area. Functionality. Tailor your table to suit your specific needs, whether it's for entertaining guests, working from home, or showcasing your favorite decor. Quality craftsmanship. Investing in a custom table means you're getting a piece built with care and precision, ensuring durability and longevity. What you'll learn. Design inspiration. Explore various styles from modern to rustic to find the perfect look for your home. Material selection. Understand the pros and cons of different wood types and finishes to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Building techniques. Gain hands-on skills in woodworking, including measuring, cutting, and assembling your table. Finishing touches. Learn how to apply stains or paints that bring out the beauty of the wood and suit your decor. Are you excited to transform your space with a custom table that truly speaks to your style? Join our workshop and take the first step toward creating beautiful furniture that reflects your personality and enhances your home. Don't miss out on the opportunity to unleash your creativity and craftsmanship. Let's build something amazing together. In a world filled with mass-produced furniture, a custom table stands out as a true reflection of your personal style and creativity. Whether you're looking to enhance your dining room, create a cozy workspace, or add a unique accent to your living area, a custom table can transform any space into a personalized sanctuary. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of woodworking to explore how to create custom tables that reflect your unique style and elevate your home decor. Imagine crafting a piece that not only serves a functional purpose but also tells a story, your story. From selecting the perfect wood to designing a shape that fits seamlessly into your home, creating a custom table allows you to express your individuality and taste. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of designing and building a custom table that resonates with your aesthetic. You'll learn how to choose materials, sketch your design, and master essential woodworking techniques. By the end of this journey, you'll have a stunning, one-of-a-kind table that truly speaks to your style and becomes a cherished centerpiece in your home. Let's unleash your creativity and get started. How to create custom tables that speak to your style. Creating a custom table that reflects your personal style is a rewarding endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you design and build your perfect table. 1. Define your style. Identify your aesthetic. Consider what styles resonate with you: modern, rustic, farmhouse, industrial, or eclectic. Gather inspiration. Use platforms like Pinterest or Instagram to find images of tables and decor that inspire you. Save your favorites for reference. 2. Choose the right materials. Wood selection. Decide on the type of wood that fits your style. Popular choices include oak for a classic look, walnut for elegance, or pine for a rustic feel. Finishes. Consider stains, paints, or natural finishes that enhance the wood grain and complement your decor. 3. Design your table. Size and shape. Measure your space to determine the ideal size and shape, rectangular, round, square, for your table. Sketch your design. Create a rough sketch of your table. Include details like leg styles, tabletop thickness, and any additional features, like drawers or shelves. 4. Gather tools and supplies. Essential tools. Make sure you have the necessary tools including a saw, drill, sander, measuring tape, and clamps. Supplies. Purchase your wood, screws, nails, and finishing materials based on your design. 5. Build the table. Cut the wood. Follow your design to cut the wood pieces to size. Use proper safety gear and techniques. Assemble the base. Start with the legs and apron, the frame that supports the tabletop. Ensure everything is square and secure. Attach the top. Once the base is complete, attach the tabletop securely, ensuring it is well centered. 6. Sand and finish. Sanding. Smooth out any rough edges and surfaces. Start with a coarser grit and progress to a finer grit for a polished finish. Apply finish. Choose your finish and apply it according to the product instructions. Allow ample drying time between coats. 7. Add personal touches. Decorative elements. Consider adding unique features like carvings, inlays, or metal accents that reflect your style. Accessories. Think about how your table will be used. Add accessories like table runners, centerpieces, or coasters that enhance its appearance. 8. Place and enjoy. Position your table. Place your table in the desired location, ensuring it complements the surrounding decor. Enjoy your creation. Use your custom table as a centerpiece for gatherings, work, or relaxation, and take pride in your handmade piece. Conclusion. Creating a custom table is not just about functionality, it's about expressing your style and adding a personal touch to your space. By following these steps, you'll craft a unique piece that enhances your home and showcases your creativity. Happy woodworking. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a custom table that not only serves a purpose but also speaks to your unique style. I hope this project inspires you to unleash your creativity and craft something truly special for your home. Remember, the key is to choose materials and designs that resonate with you, whether it's a rustic farmhouse table or a sleek modern piece. Your custom table is a reflection of your personality and an investment in your space. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your own table projects or any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest woodworking projects. Join our community, and let's keep creating together. Thanks for watching and happy woodworking. See you in the next video.